Bismillah ar-Rahman Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Hope wherever you are, you will be fit and fine and doing good job. I request you please watch my video full and give me the thumbs up first. Today I'm going to clean my air cooler. It's been, I think it's been 1 year. I haven't cleaned it yet from inside. Though outside do clean my bike, but today I have decided to clean it from inside. So I have just opened its sides. You can see this one and that one, both are there. I just put them here and I am going to clean it. You can see this one is because our water is not good. That's why I go for fetching water. You can see these stands over there, and inside is more stands. So I have to clean it, and I will let you see how it looks like after cleaning it. Okay friends, now I am done. You can see how my air cooler looks like now. It took me almost more than 2 hours to clean it. Inside I did try to clean it as good as I can. And I tried my level best because my hand was not going in all of the corners. I had to open it, but I couldn't because if I open it, I don't know how to fix it as well, so I didn't close it. I mean open it. So you can see how it looks like. I have to now just fix its side covers. And this one is the dirt that have come outside. I'm inside from. So friends, I didn't show you upper sides. Now you can see how it looks, how it was before and how it is now. Now it's done. I have covered this, put the side cover as well. This one is the final look. Hope you will enjoy it. Please like and subscribe too.